So we are going to start with our lesson 10 today, Raja's Useful Collection. Now this is a play and it tells about the hobby. What is a hobby? Now what is a hobby? Hobby is something which gives you pleasure. Hobby is the activity which you are doing, okay, which gives you pleasure, which gives you knowledge, and which gives you new experience. So it is regarding that. Raja is a collector in this play. Okay, he's a collector. Collector means the person who are interested in collecting different kinds of materials. Different kinds of materials like it can be coins, it can be stamps, it can be different kinds of stones, it can be you can say buttons. These are the items which we use to collect. So Raja is a person, is a boy in this play, a character who is interested in collecting every material which he seems is interesting. Understood? So people are seriously means they are crazy. They are, you can say crazy. When I say crazy, that doesn't mean that in a negative sense, but you can say that passion means जो आप चीज़ करते हो, जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, जो आपको happiness दे, whatever thing you are doing which gives you happiness, it is actually your passion, okay, is the thing which you are crazy about. So this Raja's Useful Collection, it is a play. So now we have the characters. What are the characters? Narrator is the one who tells you the story, okay, in a play or in a story. The one who is telling you the story is the narrator. Then Miss Maya is Raja's teacher. Then we have Raja, Leena, Mary and Ali. Understood? Now the first narrator. Now narrator is saying, Miss Maya taught the youngest children in Lajpat Lane School. There were about 20 children in her class and one of them was a boy called Raja. Now narrator is telling that the play is going to start, and the narrator is telling that Miss Maya is a teacher. She is teaching in a Lajpat Lane School, and there she has, in her class there is about 20 children. Understood? And Raja is one of them. Now Raja was particular about. What is particular about? Particular about is paying attention to a particular thing. Means you can say that too much of attention on a particular thing. That is particular about. Understood? So he was particular about his trousers, pants which the boys wear. So the trousers, he was very particular about that. He was very, very much particular, means he took care of his trousers a lot. And he always had pockets in them. Why? Obviously to keep things, okay. This was to keep things in, of course, to keep things. And Raja was a collector. As I told you already that Raja is a collector. He collected anything at all that was interesting and fitted into his trouser pockets. That means he was interested into such a thing, means he was interested into whatever thing maybe, okay. So he used to collect that. जो भी उसको चीज़ अच्छी लगती थी, बहुत यूनिक लगती थी, he used to collect that, and he was a collector. Now one morning, what happened? One morning, Raja set out for school. He was going to school. He walked along as he usually did, okay, with his head bent so that he could look for interesting things on the ground as he walked along. Now what was the usual thing he used to do when he used to go to school? He used to walk, and he used to walk with his head bent. Head bent means जब आप चलते हो, जब आप झुक करके देख रहे हो किसी भी चीज़ों को, मतलब आप कुछ चीज़ों को इधर उधर देख रहे हो. Understood? You are finding something. You are thinking that maybe I will find something interesting. So in the same way, Raja is also thinking that I will find something very, very interesting. And what I will do, I will collect, I will put that thing in the pocket. Now Raja is saying to himself, Here's a strong, thick rubber band. I know how it came here. Now he is saying that I know how it came here. I have seen the postwoman slip it off her bundle of letters and drop it on the path. Now he is saying that now I have found a thick rubber band. I know that from where it has come. I know it has come from the postwoman. Means the postwoman, we have postman, so we have also postwoman bhi hoti hai. So maybe she took the whole bundle of letter and it was bind. Okay, it was binded in one pile and the rubber band was around it to secure it. जैसे हम कोई भी चीज़, जैसे हम नोट्स को एक तरीके से बाइंड करने के लिए व्हाट डू वी डू, वी पुट अ रबर बैंड और इलास्टिक बैंड. सेम वे दिस थिक रबर बैंड वाज पुट in that pile of letters. Narrator. Now narrator is saying he picked it up and put it in his pocket. Now narrator is saying that he picked it up and put it into his pocket. Now what a flat round pebble. It is lovely to hold, cold and smooth. Now Raja is saying, now he obviously is looking for different things. So what a flat round pebble. Now he has found a pebble. What is a pebble? Means a small smooth stone. It is lovely to hold. Now cold and smooth means it's very, very smooth. The surface seems to be very, very smooth. Narrator. Now narrator is saying Raja put it in his pocket, in his other pocket. He walked a little further, still looking. Now he walked further, still looking here and there. That's a shiny silver safety pin. I'll put it in my pocket with a rubber band. And here's a matchbox. It is quite clean and new. Now he has found a safety pin and he has also put that in the this pocket, and then he has found another matchbox. Now it is quite clean and new. Now it is like what he's talking about. He's talking about the matchbox. It is quite clean and new. Now narrator says Raja opened it and sniffed. What is sniffed? Sniffed means when you move your nose. जब आपने एक डॉग को देखा होगा, वो डॉग क्या करता है? स्निफ करता है. जब स्निफ when this dog tries to sniff and smell something. So what does उसके nose पे आप movement देखना, what kind of a movement that he does with his nose. Same way what we do, हम ऐसे करते हैं ना snip. So our nose, it moves. Okay, that means wrinkle up. So it smelled. Now he was trying to smell it. It smelled just like matches. A funny smell. Why funny smell? That made his nose wrinkle up. He was very pleased with the empty matchbox and put it into the pocket with the rubber band and safety pin. He was very pleased. He said that it is so unique. He was very, very pleased and he put it into his pocket. Now Raja is saying, that's a long piece of green string near the hedge. Now what is hedge? A boundary formed by closely growing shrubs and bushes. छोटी छोटी झाड़ियाँ होती हैं, हम उसकी बाउंड्री बना देते हैं ना. आपने देखा होगा नेचुरल बाउंड्री बनती है उसकी. जब झाड़ियाँ उगती है एक साथ, हम झाड़ियों को उगा के, झाड़ियाँ एंड श्रब्स, स्मॉल प्लांट्स, उसको उगा के हम एक बाउंड्री बनाते हैं. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज hedge. That's a long piece of green string near the hedge. Now he has found another thing. He has found green string. Okay, इसने एक हरे कलर का, ग्रीन कलर का धागा, green string he has found near the hedge. Now narrator is saying he picked it up and put it in the pocket with the smooth, cool pebble. Now he was nearly at the school gate. Now he has reached the school gate. He began to jog along. What is jog? Running slowly, kicking a tiny broken piece of red brick in front of him. Now he was jogging, kicking the tiny broken piece of red brick in front of him. Now Raja is saying, I suppose this might come in useful too. Means now he is saying, I suppose now this article is also useful. I should pick this also.